How to use SanDisk Memory Zone app. Running out of space or juggling files across phone, SD card, and cloud? The SanDisk Memory Zone app makes it simple. Here's how to set it up, backup files, and clean storage. Download the app from the Google Play Store, open it, and grant storage permissions so it can access your phone, SD card, and connected drivers. The app automatically detects your phone's internal storage and any SanDisk micro SD card. You can also link cloud accounts like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for backups. Browse files by category, photos, videos, music, or documents. Select files, then move or copy them to your SD card, phone, or cloud. Use search and filters to find files faster. Tap Backup to save files manually or set automatic backup so your photos and videos are regularly copied to your SD card or cloud storage. Use the clean feature to free up space. The app highlights large files, duplicates, and unused apps. With one tap, you can delete junk or remove media to your SD card or cloud. So the SanDisk Memory Zone app is your all-in-one tool for managing storage. Download it, set up backups, and keep your phone clutter